Paris, no. Hey.
Grayson, don't tease them.
Paris.
No, they're not. They're nice. They're just being dogs. Dogs get protective. And they also like to play. No. Put it down, bud. Yeah, I was telling Mike, I said, well, when we get a fence, I don't know how this is going to work.
Oh, yeah, I know.
They're both out there, and he's like, I don't know, maybe they just have to figure it out.
Yeah, they'll figure it out. They'll simmer down as they get older, too.
Yeah. Well, she just wants to play.
Well,
you know,
that's what these two want to do, too.
Well, and I went and tested it out. We had, what, honey? In the middle of, well, I want you to keep raking a little bit, dig a pile, and then I'll come help.
Paris, mommy's home. Go get her. Mommy's home. Come on.
Put yourself up in there, bud.
Come up here. Up here. Come on.
But anyway, I was testing out her,
Hi. How did you know I was home? Hi, babies. Okay. You silly girl.
Yeah.
and we have one more coming. Who did you guys use?
What you doing, Pam?
Yeah, when they did ours, they said we're not doing Thornwild no more because of this. This was the first fence they put up, and they said it was a nightmare.
No.
Really?
Oh yeah,
You guys the hill or what?
they hit rock in every post,
Really?
like big, huge rocks. Here.
Yeah, well, it's certainly not cheap for a fence, right?
No, not yeah, especially these fences. Come on.
Hey, you missed the stairs. Come on.
Paris, come on.
This way.
Go.
Patty. Did the Easter Bunny come see you? Did you get lots of candy?
Here, one.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Come here, Paris.
Right.
Come here.